So we understood that the dipole in this case is going to rotate in anti-clockwise direction, but it is not like that it will complete one revolution. Okay, this is very important. It will stop whenever it aligns with the electric field lines. ये बहुत ही important point है, ठीक है. So यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है this torque will tend to align the dipole with the field E. ओके, तो अभी आप सोचो कि ये डाइपोल है. इफ इट गेट्स ओवर हियर, ओके, देन व्हाट विल बी द थीटा? सो यू विल से दैट थीटा इज 0. ओके, सो इन दिस केस व्हेन यू विल पुट theta equals to 0, so sine 0 is 0, and that is how the whole torque gets 0. okay, तो torque 0 होना इसका मतलब है no rotation, right? So whenever it gets aligned with the electric field, that means no torque is there, and if there is no torque, that means there is no rotation, right? Okay, now what happens if we do the same thing but the field is non-uniform? Non-uniform, that means the field is varying. अगर आप डाइपोल के हिसाब से देखो तो आप क्या हो रहा है कि यहाँ पे F1 फोर्स लग रहा है, यहाँ पे F2 फोर्स लग रहा है, and F1 and F2 are not same. They are not same, right? Then what is going to happen? Then the net force will be non-zero. Net force on the dipole is non-zero, and whenever the net force is not zero, that means it will result in a translation. It is like translation equilibrium उसमें नहीं होगा, and we will have some finite value of acceleration, और इससे ट्रांसलेशन मोशन स्टार्ट हो जाएगी, राइट? नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन, नॉन यूनिफॉर्म फील्ड है तो, राइट? सो डाइपोल में मूव अपवर्ड डाउनवर्ड वो अपनी पोजीशन ही चेंज कर देगा अपने ओरिजिन से. At that time it may be possible that the torque may be 0 or may not be 0, but it is complicated. So if we take two different easy case, okay, the first one is that ये pink वाली है वो सब electric lines है which is non-uniform, and I have drawn a plus q minus q dipole. Okay, its orientation is from top to bottom to top. Okay, it is upward. Dipole axes are parallel to the electric field. Okay, so in this case the torque is 0. In this case the torque is 0, right? But it may be possible that if it is non-uniform, then the net force is non-zero and the dipole may move, right? If we take case number 2, in which the dipole axis is anti-parallel to the electric field. Okay, so in this case what is going to happen? If we see the direction of the dipole axis, then it is upward, right? Dipole axes are going upward, but the field lines are coming downward, so that is known as the anti-parallel. So even in this case, if you will try to find out the theta, then it will be 180 degree. Again the sine 180 degree is 0, and that is how torque is also 0 in this case. So in either of the case the answer is 0. So now you can do the numericals. MCQ जो मैंने आपको दिए थे 73, 74 and 75, I think now you can do it. Try it, otherwise I will give you the solution. Thank you.